Hello. We've been having one heat wave after another here in the UK, which is, well, it's becoming more common in recent years, but it's not normal. And this year we've actually had fires in the forests and up on the mountains, and I've never known that before. Here, I live in Wales. There's a lot of water in Wales. It rains a lot, but it is so dry. It hasn't really rained properly since May, which is terrifying. As I get nearer to where this fire was, I can smell it. Gosh. People who live nearby said that the flames were like leaping up 100 feet in the air. There's also been a terrible fire on a mountain. I really feel for all the little animals that would have lost their lives and lost their homes. This is not normal in Wales, in the UK. The firefighters must have done an absolutely incredible job at containing it, because it didn't take down the entire forest. Thankfully. Incredible that they managed to stop it from getting all the way through. I'm just sitting here just above the ground, which is still smoking in some places. I poured my whole bottle of water that I had on that little patch. It still hasn't really put it out. Tempted to go back down to the river and get some more water and pour it all over those little areas. It's so terrifying, and it's really, really sad. I feel a lot of grief. What's happening to the planet? Our first heat wave this year got up to 35 degrees in North Wales. Never experienced that heat in the UK, in North Wales. I think it's reached that temperature in the past in South England, but I decided I was going to go down to the river to get some more water and get a bigger bottle out of the car, because I found another patch that was really starting to gather a bit of momentum, and I was on my way down. But then I saw one of the official people, like forest people from Natural Resources Wales, coming to do an assessment, and he said it's okay because he might need to call out the fire brigade. He was just coming to check it all, and he said there's a really massive fire down near Harlech, which is like over 2,000 acres big. So all the fire people are down there at the moment. Oh, gosh, it's really happening. He was saying that a lot of the native trees are really struggling, and they're going into hibernation now. They're losing their leaves. It's the middle of summer. They're losing their leaves and sort of shutting down to protect themselves. It's awful. He said on a positive note, it's been an amazing year for butterflies. There's more butterflies than ever. But not an amazing year for trees. I was going to go for a walk. I haven't got any water now though. I decided to not go up the mountain with no water in the red hot sun. Oh, I really hope that fire doesn't restart. I've come down I found a river to have a swim instead. I was going to go up onto the mountains, but yeah, maybe another day. I've never been here when the ferns have been like this before. Gosh, crazy. I love this spot, it's gorgeous. Ooh, dragonfly. Little river boatman. I can feel all the stress from the past few months, like starting to leave my body and my head. Like the muscles starting to relax around my eyes. I love the look of that little place over there on the other side of the river. It's so beautiful the way the light's shining through the little grass tip things. I love the shape of that dead tree. So gnarly.